Hi guys, welcome back to Fun Family 3.
Hi!
We're out in the garden today, not because of the fantastic weather, but because
it's kind of windy today.
It is a bit windy today, so who knows what's going to happen. The tablecloth might go and everything. But you might have noticed we've got two watermelons. Giant watermelons. It's the biggest we could get.
These are actually called giant watermelons, by the way.
Yeah.
They sold these as giant watermelons, which...
So, you know...
We've seen bigger.
Yeah, we have seen bigger.
It's the best we could do, we're going to have to do. And we've got a great big pile of elastic bands, 700 of them to be precise.
Because we're going to need a lot.
We are, because what we're going to do is, it's going to be parents, me and mum, versus Ava, Isla and Olivia, and we're going to see who can get their watermelon to explode
But who's going to be the last?
So who will be the last watermelon stand? Is the winner the one who gets it to smash first?
Yeah, I think so, because I mean, if you didn't put any elastic bands on it, it wouldn't smash, would it?
Will the loser get
It's
the
not going to be
That's
much
true,
of a
I could just go back inside and watch TV and then I'd win, wouldn't I?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Who's the first to smash their watermelon?
Well, I'm
Who's it
gonna
going
do
to be? Parents or kids?
There's no time limit or anything, we just need to get cracking, putting these water... Hey, sunshine, look at that, the sun's come out. And then, hopefully, we can win. I'm feeling good about this. You guys feeling...
We're going to need a lot of elastic bands.
Oh, they're starting. They're starting, we need to get on with it.
I must say though, ours does look less right than theirs, so I think ours is going to be harder to
Do you think?
smash.
I can't
Should we get a system going?
Yeah.
What if I pass them to you and you stretch them over? What do you think? Is that going to be the, way?
2 at a time.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Dropping your watermelon on the floor so it smashes doesn't count either. Oh no! Tablecloth.
Can you do 2 at a time? Look how much I put it in.
I'm just kind of standing here like this, like the glamorous assistant. Or just assistant, I think is probably more accurate.
Mum's the one that puts the elastic bands on and Dad's the one that passes them on.
I am.
It's just 4 at a time! Yay!
You mean 4 at a time? You need to get a move on.
I'm not really doing
Do you think you get a warning or do you just think it's...
No, you do get a warning.
You get a warning?
They don't. They don't. You get it starts to crack and then it explodes at the end.
Oh, no.
At the end. If you lose, oh, this one.
You get a what?
A dare.
I thought you said a bear.
A bear!
Say we know what a bear for.
My head's getting elbowed. We did 5!
At the same time?
Yes. Come on, 6.
Good point, a critical failure. Don't steal all our elastic bands. You can't steal all our bands. They'll do anything to win these kids.
Look at that compared to this.
I think we've got loads more.
Well, it's because of our age. You slow down a bit when you get to our age.
My back's aching.
A busy day of putting elastic bands on watermelons. Yours looks like it might be changing shape a little bit.
Yeah,
ours is.
Ours is just like nah.
Yeah?
That's all.
Lost Olivia.
Yeah. It's on the swing. Olivia, come on.
She's just going to take all the glory if they win.
Olivia's just out of shot and she's just on the swings now because, you know, teamwork makes the dream work.
Oh, my hands. We're going to be starting in the middle now again. Oh my gosh, our watermelon's so out of shape and
Don't drop
Ours
it.
doesn't change it at all.
No, ours is like, I don't know, maybe we've picked the wrong watermelon here. It's like made of steel. Is it just like a painted bowling ball?
That's definitely going in.
I know what theirs is, I can see it.
we're going to start going in the middle now, alright? Oh my gosh, our watermelons keep going.
That's been timed now. I didn't see that one.
Okay.
Whoa! watermelon shoulder.
Really
wow. I think we could have been there like probably like all day without
evermore.
I eat some watermelon. What's up?
I'm
Can't
covered
wait
in
to
it.
see the slow-mo of that.
I'm covered in it.
Do you just see my
No one's laughing.
Do you think that was funny, bud? Hey, we all got covered in watermelon.
It's good. Good.
Wow, guys, look at this. So your watermelon has well and truly exploded. Ava's just like embracing all the mess.
We did 5 at last
Guys,
one.
I am covered in watermelon. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but it's all down my jeans. It's kind of, it's in my hood, it's in my hair. It's everywhere.
In places that shouldn't be watermelon in.
Yeah, places that watermelon shouldn't be. It's everywhere. And our watermelon.
We failed miserably. I think we should take these off so we don't want to waste another water.
Yeah, there's no point now. We've lost. We've well and
It's
truly
over.
lost. It's a good job I like watermelon, isn't it? Because I'm wearing it. I think we might need to have an outfit change, guys, before we do our shout outs. What do you think? Right then, guys, here we are, fresh off your victory. Me and Ava have actually changed because we were absolutely covered in watermelon, weren't we?
I only have a little spill.
You've got a little bit.
I'm
Ava still had some in her
fine.
hair.
I didn't even.
Up until a minute ago, I was like, in fact, you may still have some. I think you've still got some watermelon smack on you.
on me at all. I didn't get any.
No, you did well. Well, you were playing on the swings anyway. You were. So well done, girls. You won.
Yo.
Victory is yours. Right then, but it is Sunday, of course, guys. So you've probably been waiting for these. Here come your shout outs for this week.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, guys. First shout out this week is for Madison Summer Pattenden.
Hi, Madison Summer Pattenden.
Yeah, hi Madison. Thank you so much for watching Fun Family 3. Big thumbs up to you.
Big thumbs up to you.
All right. Okay, next shout out this week is going to be for Annalise Howard.
Hi, Annalise Howard.
Now, it's Annalise's birthday coming up on the 23rd of July, so big birthday shout out coming up at the end for you, Annalise. And Annalise is from Middlesbrough.
Ooh.
So thank you so much for watching Fun Family 3. Next shout out this week is going to be for Lily.
Hi, Lily.
Yeah, hi Lily, thank you so much for sending in your letter. We always love getting your fan mail. I know we don't read them on air anymore because we get kind of a lot, don't we? And I think the video would just be so long that nobody would actually watch it.
Appreciate all your fan mails.
I know, yeah, we get so many people are awesome. They send us really, really nice stuff all the time. So thank you if you send us in fan mail. We do read them all, but so thank you so much for sending in your letter, Lily.
You got a necklace or someone?
We did. We've had letters, and we've had necklaces and
Really nice necklace. If you're out
people
there,
send us toys and candies and all sorts, don't they, through the post? It's completely unnecessary. You don't need to send us anything, guys. But thank you so much for sending your letter in anyway, Lily, and big thumbs up to you. Okay, next shout out this week is for Lucy.
Hi, Lucy.
Now, Lucy, also thank you so much for your letter. I kind of covered it in the last one, but thank you to everyone who sends us letters in. Also, it was Lucy's birthday last week, so happy birthday to you. Birthday shout out coming up at the end.
Yeah, you get a birthday form for a special birthday. Happy birthday. You get a special. That's the end.
Alright, we'll do that at the end. Okay, Olivia, you alright?
Yeah.
Olivia's like gone all metal. Headbanger. What are you doing, you strange person? Like cousin it now. Right then, guys, next shout out this week is for Hannah Douglas.
Hi, Hannah Douglas.
Now, Hannah Douglas is from Bridgend in South Wales. Now, lovely part of the world. Thank you so much for watching Fun Family 3. Big thumbs up to you. And next shout out this week is for Evie from Lytham.
Hi, Evie.
Yeah, hi Evie. Thank you so much for watching Fun Family 3. And it was Evie's birthday on the 3rd of July, which I think, if memory serves me right, was Friday. So happy birthday to you. Birthday shout out coming up at the end of this video. Okay then, guys, last shout out this week is for Mia from Bridgewater.
Hi, Mia.
And Mia, we just want to say good luck to you because you apparently are going back to school tomorrow.
Good
So
luck.
yeah, so after a long extended break, these guys still aren't back in school. I know some guys have gone back to school, some have not.
Yeah.
If you're going back to school tomorrow,
Next week.
very good luck to you and good
Next
luck to you,
week.
Mia. Thank you so much for watching Fun Family 3. Big thumbs up.
Woo.
Right then, guys, so we've got 3 birthdays this week. Are you ready to sing?
Yeah.
3, 2, I'll count you in. You slow down. 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Happy birthday.
Dear Annalise, Lucy and Evie.
Happy birthday.
Very nice girls, although, Olivia, what are you doing? Like Animal out the Muppets. She's gone crazy, guys. Guys, thank you so much for watching this week. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up.
Big thumbs up.
If you love the video, you can subscribe if you haven't done so already to Fun Family 3 by clicking the little red box. Making sure to click that notification bell so you never miss a new upload when we put new videos on.
Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.
Yeah, ring that bell.
Ding-a-ling-a-ling.
And when you're done doing all that good stuff, why not head over to our Instagram account, funfamily3. Check us out over there, maybe give us a follow. We put fun videos, little stories and stuff like fun ones over there all the time, and lots of photos as well. So it'd be great to see you over there on our Instagram account as well.
Please follow us.
Yeah, follow us, why not?
Out.
It does help us out quite a bit, doesn't it? Quite a bit. So guys, thank you so much for watching. We will see you next time.
Bye, Fun Family 3. Signing out. Rock and roll!
Press the screen below for more fun videos from Fun Family 3. And why don't you subscribe? And you can be a #fanatic. Thanks for watching.